True Jamaican vibes fire rage. So guys, today I am in the Southfield area, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so I'm giving a tour. I'm giving a tour from the Southfield gas station area. One place I'm calling him Bellevue Housing Scheme, that is phase 3. So keep on watching. Yeah man, just keep on watching. You all can indicate where you're watching from. So this channel is all about Jamaica. Knowing Jamaica, where to go, when to go, why to go. So in a few more seconds, I'm gonna make a turn in that housing scheme. So yeah man, see the sign there? Phase 3, welcome to Bellevue Housing Scheme. Yeah man, so we're gonna take that tour there. We're gonna see what that area they stay. Tell the Southfield have a very nice climate in this area. Very nice climate. As a quaint, the weather does change in this area. Yeah man, the weather does change. And you see right here, you have a lot of Christmas tree right here on your right hand side. So if you want your Christmas tree to buy, you can come in the Southfield area right here. A lot of Christmas tree. Original Christmas tree, they're properly groomed. So leave in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this area. If you would live here, or if you know this area, just give us some information on it. So when you're in this area, it's about 7 minutes drive to Junction Town. Yeah man, the closest town in this area would be Junction Town. Wow, I see some nice colorful house in this area. Wow, big up all the St. Elizabeth people them at Southfield. Yeah man, some vibrant color. Place looking nice, beautiful. Yeah man, you see the Christmas tree them. Yeah man, them Christmas tree we are talking about. So if you're interested in them Christmas tree, you can come in the Southfield area. You all can reach out to me and I will get the contact number for you if you want a Christmas tree in this area. Yes, my people, just reach out. I will try my best to get the contact number for you all. from here, see where they have a mall heap from here. And on your left, you have the Hilltop Close. I'm trying to see if we see any sign where land for sale, houses for sale. Nobody really sell land in this area. Yeah, man. No know what go on. You know, land is very expensive in them area too. Very, very expensive. So we are now on Willow Drive. Yeah, man, we're up on Willow Drive, you know. Them place like the one D-Bush. Yeah, man, D-Bush place make the place look proper. It's a nice area, very nice area as you can see. Just want to go D-Bush in the area. So the neighbors they maybe have to come together and try and D-Bush the area. So we're heading back towards the main road, which is Kincaid Main Road. Yeah, man, remember to like up the video free of cost, you know. That's what YouTube like. That's what the algorithm like. Yeah, man. So interact on the video. You know, go on if you like the place or not. Yes, paper. I really appreciate you indicate. Yeah, man. Look at the beautiful sky. So I'm gonna make the right turn. So we make the left turn, which will take us to the Top Hill area. Yeah, man, Top Hill. ride. Yeah, my people. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, the boss is a pretty thing, you know? Boss is a pretty thing. Yeah, man, the spirit boss say. One look and one heart, you know? Big machine that come up on the hill here. So we're now in the Top Hill area. On your right you have the Top Hill Primary School.